going to be finishing milled Emacs with our August DDS kit. The first step is going to be to remove the sprue in the purple state with our diatrim sintered diamond. We're going to go slow speed, so less than 10k RPM. Next, you're going to use our 213 wheel to smooth out any milling marks. And with this one, we're going to go down to about 7,000 or 8,000 RPM. We're still doing this in the purple state. Keep the wheel rotating away from the margin to avoid chipping. If you're not going to characterize it, you're not going to add any stain, you can polish it in the purple state and then cook it. So what you would do is you would polish it with the fine DiaShine and a stiff bristle brush. Right around 7,000 to 8,000 RPM. Moderate contact pressure. Keep the brush in contact with the restoration just to let the paste and the brush do the work. Remember, this is only if you are not going to be adding any stain. If you were to polish this in the purple state and then add stain, the stain will just sink. At this point, you would finish polishing it with the fine, then you would cook it, and then in the sintered state, you would finish it up with the fine soft. Now the other option, after you've smoothed out the mill marks with step 2, which is this wheel, you would stain and glaze, and you would cook it, and then you would polish it with the fine DiaShine. Same speed, right about 7,000 or 8,000 RPM. Okay. Now use a fine soft DiaShine and a soft bristle brush. Same speeds, just right around 8,000 RPM. Okay. The lowest step is going to be taking the goat hair soft bristle chamois brush, taking the speed up to about 15,000 RPM, and you're just going to use no paste and you're just going to run it over the restoration just to dry buff it out. There you have it.